model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom L2 2.2 TDCi factory-fitted crew cab limited. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 157,621. MOT, 19 January 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 155ps TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Passenger front wheel bearing will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Very clean 6-seater factory crew cab. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.